Hey guys, hope you all have been well. I have not posted a video in 3 weeks, 2.5, something around that ballpark. I'm sure people who do videos understand that it just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel good when you're not in the mood to film. And so I've just kind of taken a break from YouTube and just kind of spend that time with myself. That is why I haven't posted. Getting straight into the video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look here. It's inspired by spring into summer. I just feel like with my tan skin, it's always this it's this transition between spring and summer that fits our skin tone the best when it comes to makeup look for the season. So if you guys like this makeup look, stay tuned for the video, and I'll also be posting it on Instagram with all the makeup and beauty products that I use to put the look together. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, that is the makeup tutorial. I like to do these fast-paced makeup tutorial because when I talk through them, they just end up really long. So I hope you guys like this spring transition into summer makeup look. I enjoyed making the tutorial with a little sprinkle of color. I'm not quite sure what the next video will be because I'm just getting back into filming, so we'll see if it's going to be weight loss or another makeup video. But till that video, I hope you guys are all doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye. My phone has been going off like crazy when I was filming this video, and I know it's my group of friends. It's our chat group. I just know it. My phone never rings that much unless it's them. I probably have like 20 messages to read.